Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the violin surface and your workspace for safe sticker placement. Wipe the varnish gently with a soft lint-free cloth and a 50-50 mix of 70% isopropyl and water. Dry thoroughly for at least 5 minutes before handling stickers. Inspect the back, sides, and scroll for clearance near the bridge and sound post. Lay the instrument on a padded table with a towel under it for stability. Choose stickers that are no larger than 3.5 inches tall for safe placement. Next, position and apply each sticker using careful, steady motions and proper alignment. Peel the backing slowly and hold the sticker at one edge to prevent sudden curling. Use a ruler to align and keep stickers about 1 inch from the instrument edges and seams. Press the sticker center first and smooth outward to remove air bubbles and ensure even adhesion. Avoid covering the bridge, F-holes, or the sound post area to protect the violin's tone and structural integrity. If a bubble appears, lift gently and reapply. Finish by trimming and sealing edges to keep stickers neat and secure on the violin. Use small scissors or an X-Acto blade to trim any overhang carefully without nicking varnish. Press edges with a soft cloth and avoid solvent contact near sticker seams to prevent damage. For long-term removal, warm the sticker gently with a hairdryer on low to soften adhesive before peeling. Store the instrument in its case when not in use to protect decorations and preserve tone and varnish condition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.